there is literally a plan for you. Like your highest self has a plan for you, but you got to get on that wave. And you can't go to the new plan with old plan mentality. Ignorance is not bliss. That is straight up disrespect. Ignorance is disrespectful to you. Ignorance is disrespectful to your higher self. That's you literally saying, F my higher self. I don't care about the new year, the new plans. I don't care about manifesting my dream, manifesting this new car, manifesting my desires and in this luxury home, this luxury, all that. That's what you're saying. You're saying you literally do not care and it's just not bliss. 2025 is going to be such a great, abundant, successful year with so much change and opportunities. And just, I'm so ready for it, y'all. It's your girl Connie, and you are watching another episode of Chaos to Creations, where we turn life's hot mess into mastery. If you are new here, and I have a name for you guys, creators, all my creators. If you are a new creator to this show, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I have another name for y'all, Creation Crew. But to all my old creators that have been here, and to all my new creators, I love y'all. I thank y'all so much. Make sure you guys tap in, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, y'all. So it is literally the new year now, and officially January 1st. I know a lot of people are like, oh, it's the new year. I want to try to be a new person, to do things different. You know, you have your New Year resolution and people don't follow them after a while. But I just have a very important message to you from your higher self. This year, your higher self has a plan for you. Your higher self has a plan for you. Um, and it's unknown. That plan is unknown. But there's things that you can do to maximize this opportunity to be your highest version of yourself, to manifest all of your dreams, manifest that new car, that new job, that new house, that family, that husband, that wife. Manifest whatever it is that you want, y'all. And with this new plan, it comes with you saying no. You have to say no to things that no longer serve you. If you cannot say no to something, it has control over you. If you can't say no to going out every weekend, eating food you shouldn't be eating, smoking, drugs, certain people, certain places. If you cannot say no to certain things, it has control over you, and that is your master at that point. Because if you can't say no to it, then it literally has that control to alter your decision making, your emotions, alter these things that you as a god, you as a goddess, you are able to. You should be able to say no to any and everything. You should be able to fast from food, fast from drugs, fast from being outside, fast from anything, fast from emotions, whatever. And in doing that, you have to start saying no. And I think this year, something that we should be doing is creating like a millionaire routine, creating a routine that only millionaires do. Get up early in the morning, drink your tea, go to the gym, eat your little light snack, read a book, meditate, journal. These things that we need to start doing in the new year to get to our highest selves, because there is literally a plan for you. Like your highest self has a plan for you, but you got to get on that wave. Don't miss the wave, because it's coming. This new year is about to be so abundant. And you're going to have to sacrifice certain things in your life in order to get onto this new plan, in order to catch the wave. Sacrifice. Like, I don't know how much I can say in that sense of saying no and sacrificing the things that don't serve you, people, places, whatever. You need to let that go. Come up with a new routine in your life to get to start your morning off right, to really just get into feeling that God energy that's within you. Because right now you operating at a level that we don't condone over here on the Chaos to Creation. Okay? God energy only. And I know a lot of people at this time, I'm one of the people my dang self, I most definitely have created a vision board. Like, some people think that, oh, a law of attraction, all you have to do is create a vision board to manifest. Baby, that's where you're wrong. That's where you're completely wrong. It's more than just visualizing. It's more than just writing down the goals and visualizing the goal. It's more than just that. It comes the action. It comes in the alignment. That's what I'm saying. You need to start letting go of these things that do not serve you. Sacrifice. Start saying no. Because in all reality, how your life is right now, you are literally responsible for your life. You're responsible because of how your life is right now. The car you drive, the job you have, the home that you live in, the friends that you have, the drama that goes on in your life, all of that is your fault. All of it's your fault. Here on Chaos to Creation, as being creators, the creation crew, accountability is number one. Accountability is number one. You need to be accountable and you need to hold yourself accountable. And with every situation that arises in your life, you need to find a way to say, hey, what did I do in this? How did I bring this to me? At what level was I vibrating to bring this experience my way? You are responsible for everything that happens in your life. And I cannot stress that enough. You're responsible. Hold yourself accountable. It's not your mama's fault. It's not your daddy's fault. It's not your dog's fault. It ain't your cousin's fault. It ain't your friend's fault. And it ain't your boss's fault. It's literally yours. And once you understand that you are a God, you are a creator, all my creators here, when you understand who you are, your power, what you can do, all of that, you want to start taking accountability. Once you take accountability, you're literally shifting from the mindset of victim, of woe is me, to powerful, to creator, to God body, God energy. You literally are shifting when you do that. And so I think that a lot of people want to kind of go about this new year coming in with the mindset of ignorance is bliss. I don't get how people really think that ignorance is bliss. And I understand it though, in a sense that I used to think like ignorance is bliss. It's bliss. If I'm not going to deal with it right now, then I don't have to feel the emotions. I don't have to deal with none of that. Ignorance is not bliss. That is straight up disrespect. Ignorance is disrespectful to you. Ignorance is disrespectful to your higher self. Ignorance is just disrespectful on all levels, because if you're ignorant to something that you know is happening and you decide, okay, I'm gonna just turn my cheek, that's you literally saying F my higher self. I don't care about the new year, the new plans. I don't care about manifesting my dream, manifesting this new car, manifesting my desires and in this luxury home, this luxury, all that. That's what you're saying. You're saying you literally do not care, and it's just not bliss. I just think that that's crazy. Because I have a family member that told me about a situation. I was like, man, you probably shouldn't do that, you know? And I'm looked at in my family as now the person that's like, oh, well, you used to do this, you used to do that, woo, woo. Now that I'm this age, you don't want to be who you were then. You you want to be acting old now or whatever. It ain't about acting old. It's about me knowing who I am. It's about me being true to myself. It's about me being respectful to myself. It's about me honoring just me, period. And knowing that, okay, yes, I may have made that mistake when I was younger. I may have did that, blah, 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 whatever. But at the end of the day, that's not who I am right now. That person back then, they don't exist no more. So I'm telling you this to just simply say, I don't think you should probably do that. And your answer is, well, ignorance is bliss. Well, you know what? I guess it is then. If that's how you feel, you want to disrespect yourself, ignorance is bliss, baby. And anybody that's out here, if you are a creator on this show, you one of the creators, you understand that ignorance is disrespectful. It's disrespectful to you and it's disrespectful to your higher self. And in saying that, it's like, are you gonna follow the new plan that your higher self has for you? Or are you gonna follow your old plan? Because you can't say, oh, I'm gonna follow the new plan for the new year, and a few months down the line just stop, give it up. You should have been putting in that work for this new plan. You should have been putting in the work, the grit, the action that you need to put in to walk into this new life, walk into this new um experience. And you can't go to the new plan with old plan mentality. You can't step into the abundance with old behaviors. It just won't work. It just won't work. And that's pretty much my message for this episode. I want to get into the hot mess and silver lining. So, okay, now we're going to get into a hot mess, flip the script, and find some silver linings. I realized that I honestly don't care about what people, or what's trending. I'll say that. What's trending online. I tried to like be in that, but the hot mess is what I'm talking about right now. And that is that you can literally take your chaos that's going on in your life, the chaos that you created, you can take that in your life right now and literally turn it into a creation. Why? Because you are a creator. Why? Because you are a God. Why? Because that is your literal purpose, to create, because you are a creator. So, creation crew, I need for you to take the chaos that you've created in your life with following that old plan, and I need for you to turn that into that the new plan. Follow that new plan that your higher self has for you, because this new year, I can feel it. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be one of the best years for me personally, but I would love for it to be one of the best years for the creation crew too. Like, you can't really align with, you can align and see the opportunities when you're focused on the old plan. You got to tap in, really tap in to the frequency of that new plan to see the opportunities arise as they arise. And it's literally like you're blinded when you're following that old plan. You keep going with that old plan that your lower self has for you. You're never going to see the opportunity that pops up in your face ever. If you're on the frequency, then you will see it. End of story. So, yes, you have now tuned in to the New Year's Eve special. And I don't know why I keep sitting here announcing the fact that it's the New Year's special, Christmas special at the end of the show, whatever. Don't mind me. But you have tuned in to another episode of Chaos to Creation. And I'm going to see y'all next time. Don't forget, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.